In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save notes in Gmail. This handy tip can make your life a bit more organized and help you keep track of important information in one easily accessible place. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly integrate note-taking into your Gmail experience. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and go to Gmail's official website. Once you're there, log into your Gmail account using your credentials. If you're using a personal or work account, ensure you're logged into the correct one to save your notes where you'll need them most. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of the Gmail interface. You'll find a panel with several options like Inbox, Starred, and more. Scroll through these options until you spot Keep Notes. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry, you might need to click on More to expand the menu. Keep Notes is an integrated Google feature that allows you to create and manage notes seamlessly. Click on Keep Notes and a new window will pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In this panel, you'll see any existing notes if you've previously created them. If not, this area will be a blank canvas ready for your thoughts and reminders. To write a new note, look for a small Take a Note area at the top of the Keep Notes panel. Click inside this space and you can start typing immediately. You have the option to add a title to your note and then fill in the details below. It's a straightforward process. Just type whatever you need to jot down, be it a shopping list, a reminder, or a task you don't want to forget. What's excellent about using Gmail to write notes is that they automatically save as you type, meaning you don't ever lose your work or ideas. Once you've completed your note, you can simply click away from the panel or move to another email. Your note will still be there when you come back. In addition to text, Google Keep allows you to include images or checkboxes in your notes, adding another layer of functionality. You can attach a relevant photo or create a checklist for tasks that need to be ticked off as they're completed. This flexibility is particularly useful for visual thinkers or those who prefer an interactive approach to organizing. Finally, don't forget that notes in Google Keep are searchable. This means you can use the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface to locate a specific note quickly, especially handy if you have numerous notes saved. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your notes organized within Gmail. Incorporating note-taking into your email interface can streamline your workflow and ensure you have all your essential information in one handy location. Thanks for watching, and I hope this feature becomes a valuable part of your digital organization toolkit.